Hello everyone, this is Taiwo. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification. So anytime I upload another video, you'll get notified. Thank you. This is task saying what to do the lab 10. I also do backup virtual machine. In this task, this is all we have to do. We have to provision the lab environment. That's on task 1. Task 2, create the virtual recovery survey route. Task 3, implement Azure Virtual Machine level backup. Task 4, implement file and folder backup. Task 5, perform file recovery by using Azure Recovery Service Agent. Task 6, perform the file recovery by using Azure Virtual Machine Snapshot. That one is optional. And task 7, we have to review Azure Recovery Service Certificate functionality. That one is optional as well, but I will do the video one after the other. So I'll be uploading it one after the other as well, because it's kind of a lot, I don't want to do it in one sit, so that when you are watching it, it's not too much for you. But I'll be uploading it one after the other. So let's get started. The first one has us to go ahead, and this is how it's going to look like after we finish all the tasks. So he has us to go to send it to Azure portal. Gonna use Azure Cloud Shell, yes. Then he asks us to download this. When we get to the Azure portal, the CLI, we go to upload and download file, which we're gonna use this file that I want to download right here. We're gonna download this and download this here. This asks us to go to all files to get it download. So let's go to the all file. This is all file here. So click on here. So we come to task 10 because we're doing task 10, right? So let's click on task 10. And this is what asks us to download. Let's download this first. Click on it. Then let's come to download the file. So let's go back. Let's click on this. Let's get this one download as well. Download this. So we just download the two of them. Two of them is my File Explorer. So you can go to your File Explorer to go and confirm what you just downloaded. So I just confirm my is here. So now let's get back to the business. Let's go to our Azure portal. This is our Azure portal. Because I'm here, right here. Let's start it over again. Click on CLI. So the CLI will bring the Azure portal up. Right. Okay. So let's tap AZ to be inside the Azure CLI. Click on the enter. So we are here now, right? So first thing you want to see all the Azure location. So in order for us to do that, you have to run this command. Want to see all Azure location, right? Run this command to check all the Azure available location. These are all the available location. See all of them? So we can choose any one you need here. So the first one right here on the question 10, lab 10, sorry. So it asks us to location, and choose the Azure location you want to put in this bracket, which is what we're gonna do right now. Then here we are going to come here. So I will choose East US. This is US. You can copy and go and paste in your notepad. After putting your notepad, put in that, and go and swipe, bring it over here. Over here. Paste it. Let's run that. The second one asks us to create a group, source group, which is a 10410. So we'll copy that one as well. Go and copy it and go and edit it. We'll put it here. Though this might be saying that it's already exists because of what I tried before. So let's confirm it. We want to confirm. Let's go back to this. So it asks us to click on copy this to confirm what we just created. Come over here. Paste it, right? Enter. Because I've already created it. So let me just repeat the one I created. Yes, you see what I just created. The source group name, that is AZ110 10410 RG0, and location was East US, was successful. So that is that. After that, let's go to the next task. The next task, okay. So the first thing we're supposed to do is upload that. Oh wow, it's not too late. Let's go ahead and go and upload the file that we downloaded. Come over here, right? Let's upload this. Upload this file. First file. That is templates. Second file. Parameter. That one is successful as well. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy this. We have to copy this command. Script that is here. Copy it. Then let's paste it here. Okay. Password, you have to put the password, but it has to be password that you may remember because you are going to need it. This will take like 5 minutes. Say that we don't really need to wait to jump to task 2. We don't really need to wait for this to join to task 2 to continue task 2. So let's do the task 2. Then after the task 2, so let's go ahead and continue the task 2 as well. So the task 2 has also to go and create recovery route. So we don't need to close this, just have to minimize it, right? So come over here, fresh. Say it's creating. It's creating, create our public IP and create a VM for us. Say create a VNet and create a network washer on the East US. So now let's go ahead and create, let's go to the task 2. The task 2 has also to create a recovery route, right? So let's go to this. Let's start recovery route. Okay, we want to create new. Okay, so the question as the resource group has to be AZ10 and 10410 RG1, which we've already created. So let's come here. Let's look for AZ10 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 RG1. Let's see, AZ10. But if you haven't created before, you can as well come here. But it has already been decreased when we are creating the CLI. So AZ10 RG1. AZ10 RG1. Okay. So you also to use the route name. The route name right here. Copy. Here and paste it. The route name. On the same paste. So next. Okay. The region, the same region, they ask us to review and create it. Review and create. So everything is okay. Look it up. Look at it. Everything is good. Then create. So yeah, this shouldn't take more than 1 minute. And we have to go to resource after that has been created. So it's deployed. Just wait for it. So that the deploy has us to go to our resource. This is the resource. So after going there, what it has us to do, it has us to go to settings and go to the properties. And after that, settings, properties, this is settings. It has us to go to properties, these properties, right? Let's just can bring this down. Okay. Then after that, what it has us to do with the properties, then with the property, go to the updates link under backup configuration. Update under backup configuration. This is backup configuration. Updates. Click on the update. It asks us to check on this backup configuration. Know that you can say storage application type to header locally redundancy or geo redundancy, which can go here. It says on the geo redundancy, so everything is okay. So let's leave this. Then what next? After that, you have to go to the properties again. In properties, this on the 8th. Okay, properties, then you have to go click on updates under security. Updates under security. This is security. This is updates. Security settings. Okay. Or this is check. This is on default. So if you uncheck this, that means you've already enabled stop delete. Or if you just check it like this, that means even you delete everything on your Azure, that all the VM you deleted everything deleted after backup has been taken, right? So you can as well go and recover it back. But you enable this if you delete everything in your all resources, right? Your recovery valves won't get deleted, not until after 14 days. So in order for you to be wanted to get deleted, the same after you delete all the resources over there, you have to uncheck this. But let's leave it here like this. You have to not to touch it. Everything's okay. So even if everything get deleted, Microsoft can still leave our reserve our recovery vault for 14 days before it can get deleted. So you can as well go and recover everything inside it, all the VM, everything from there. That will back up. So this one is okay. So the next one has to, after doing that, it has to, so which we just revealed. See, we already enabled this. Sorry, correction. We did that. Back up to properties, update setting. We did that. Secure setting. We did this already. So this has to go to overview. Let's go to the overview. This is close the settings we just did, and it has to go to recovery service route overview. Yeah. Okay, which takes us to the end of that's 2. So we're gonna start the task 3 in the next video.